The 1969 Chevrolet Yenko Camaro is one of the most legendary muscle cars ever built. A true icon of American performance engineering, created by Don Yenko. This high-performance version of the Camaro took an already powerful machine and turned it into a street-legal beast that could dominate the drag strip. It remains one of the most sought-after classic muscle cars, celebrated for its raw power, aggressive styling, and racing pedigree. Under the hood, the Yenko Camaro packed a monstrous 427 cubic inch V8 engine, producing an estimated 425 horsepower and 460 pounds-ft of torque. This powerhouse was mated to either a 4-speed manual transmission or a 3-speed automatic, delivering brutal acceleration and top-tier performance for its time. The car could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds, an impressive feat for a late 60s muscle car, with a top speed exceeding 120 miles per hour and quarter-mile times in the low 13-second range. The Yenko Camaro was built for speed. Visually, the Yenko Camaro stood out with its distinctive badging, bold Yenko striping along the sides and rear, and an aggressive stance that signaled its high-performance nature. The front end featured a blacked-out grille, while optional cowl induction hoods added to the aggressive look. The car sat on rally-style wheels wrapped in performance tires, ensuring maximum grip and stability during hard acceleration. Available in multiple vibrant colors, including the iconic Hugger orange and Le Mans blue, the Yenko Camaro turned heads wherever it went. Inside, the cabin was designed with a driver-focused layout, featuring Yenko-branded headrests, bucket seats, and a performance-oriented dashboard with essential gauges for monitoring speed and RPMs. Unlike some stripped-down muscle cars of the era, the Yenko Camaro still retained comfort features such as an AM radio and optional power steering, making it a practical yet powerful choice for enthusiasts. Performance upgrades extended beyond just the engine. The Yenko Camaro featured heavy-duty suspension components, upgraded cooling systems, and a reinforced drivetrain to handle the immense power. These enhancements ensured better handling and stability, making it a formidable competitor on both the streets and the track. The legacy of the 1969 Yenko Camaro continues to thrive among collectors and enthusiasts, with original models commanding high prices at auctions. Its combination of rarity, performance, and historical significance makes it a prized possession for any muscle car lover. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews, features, and industry updates.